So you read the title and you clicked on this video, so you already know what I'm going to talk about, so I think I'll just get straight into it. So myself and the team at Morningside AI are niching down finally after 16 to 18 months of operation as a general agency. And I did mention this, it's a good time to be talking about this because I said in a recent video on when to niche down and how to niche down, which I'll put up here. Really important you watch that. It's got a ton of great information of what we're going through right now, and I've always made this channel around sharing my journey in the space, and we're going through the process now of niching Morningside AI down. And I know many of you have tried to start niched agencies and struggled to find an offer that resonated or people were actually interested in, or you struggled to build a product that was actually valuable and found product market fit. And so in that video I explained how you need to be using data, and you need to be, if you don't have an obvious niche that you can jump into as someone with experience or connections, you need to operate as a general agency, and as we've done, work through building solutions for multiple clients, and in our case, eventually building solutions for ourselves so that you're able to identify a use case or an offer that you can sell that's actually valuable and that people are actually going to want. So to let the cat out of the bag, myself and the team, we're all here in South Africa at the moment, hence the kind of casual setup here, but we have been working here for the past month, really on the strategic pivot for Morningside AI. And this is my dream, to be living and working with my friends and living the entrepreneur lifestyle. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm so grateful for everything in my life at the moment. And I'm super happy that we've found an opportunity to do a strategic pivot into a certain niche, and that niche is going to be the education and coaching niche. And this is because we have our own education and coaching business, and we can get a two birds, one stone equation. And this is something I really urge you all to look for in business, and something that I've learned. I'm constantly learning as I go through this. It's not like I know everything. I have been learning as doing YouTube, as running multiple businesses now. As you have more stuff to manage, it's about finding those two birds or three birds. You're like, the more birds with one stone, the better. You really need to be optimizing for that. So whether that's creating content that you can then repurpose and it also provides some other value to your clients, or if you can get alignment in your efforts, then you are able to get much more done with the same amount of energy. So for us, already having an education coaching business, we were putting things in place and deploying our developers from Morningside AI over to our education business, the accelerator, and what we're doing on the school community as well. And there were areas of that were highly inefficient, and we were saying, okay, well, we'll just just very naturally took some of our Morningside AI developers and put them onto the problems that we're facing on the accelerator and within the school community. And sure enough, we came up with some really valuable things that we'd built out and were working extremely well for us. And then we had a bit of a light bulb moment of, okay, well, we can put our Morningside AI developers on making this business run as smoothly as possible, as minimal friction for myself and the team running it, the best possible experience for our customers, and to increase the success rates and do everything we can to make sure both the customer is having an absolutely fantastic experience with some of these AI automations we build, but also the team running it is able to focus on things that really matter rather than dealing with small day-to-day management things that could be automated with AI. So we're in the process of building out a bunch of really cool automations. I can't really tell you about them right now because you need to give us a head start on selling these things before I start yelling it from the roof, because I know you guys would be very quick to copy and jump on the same things we're selling. So I will release that at a later date. But for now, as an update for you all on what Morningside AI is doing, we are undergoing this strategic pivot towards these education and coaching solutions. And we're going to be selling them using the evidence of what we've done on our business and say, hey, look, we've now got this business that is making more money. It's getting better results for our clients. We are very happy with running it. There's a lot less operational complexity and drag we have to deal with. These are the results. Would you be interested in it? These are the services. So we have a much more, this is what you all need to be looking for when you're niching down. Going from a general agency is getting those data points, and the data points of this AI solution provides this value is really the most difficult thing right now for anyone starting these businesses. And that's why, while the niched agency and having a clear set of products or a narrower set of businesses that you serve is ideal for a number of reasons, it's the hardest part about that is finding an offer that people actually want. And through Morningside, we've been able to find that within our own business. And for all of you who are starting a general agency, you need to be looking for the same opportunities of, is this thing high value? How can I get some data that is going to allow me to go and sell it to other people effectively? So that's where we are right now. We are phasing out. We're moving some of our developers over to these education solutions right now. So we're still in the transitionary period. But we are going to be looking to move out over the next couple of months completely of our custom AI development. And while that's been hugely beneficial for us to learn how to run one of these businesses and share that all with you, the complexity of running a custom AI development firm is far too high now that we have our commitments on the education business and we have Agenta, the software. So if we were just focusing on scaling the AI development firm, which is really like custom code development firm, basically everything we were doing, just scaling that, if that was all of our attention, we could do that. But in order for us to be able to scale that beyond like low 6 figures per month, we need to adapt the model or shift into more of a niche model where there's less unknowns and there's less managerial oversight needed and less operational complexity and drag. So moving into the niche model is where we're going now. We've got a couple of products that we're already deploying within the accelerator and within our school community. And I'm super excited to keep you guys updated on where this is going. The whole point of this channel is for me to throw myself head first into the space and learn and then share as much of it I can with you all. And I hope you've all enjoyed seeing this transition of what I'm doing. I'm trying to go, yes, we started the agency, we have an education business, we've started the software. I'm trying to get all of that experience and information and be able to share it with you all because those are the three main opportunities, is agency, education, and software. And by me having my fingers in all the different pies at once, I'm able to share the learnings in here with you. So I've got some really awesome learnings from Agentive over the past almost a year now. And when I think there's enough of you who are ready to jump into the SaaS space, I'm happy to start sharing some of that as well. So that's a bit of a life update, business update. I'm extremely grateful and happy with how my life for the past 18 months has gone. And I'm extremely happy to have met so many awesome people like you watching this video through my community, in-person events and stuff like that. It's been absolutely incredible. So I really urge all of you, you just have to keep going. You have to just keep going. And these kind of opportunities don't just fall out of the sky unless you are doing the work. And so if we had to continue to persist at Morningside, pushing out these custom development projects, which are like pulling our hair out sometimes. If we had just given up on going, oh, we'll just go all SaaS or we'll just go all education. No, we kept pushing on these custom development projects. And eventually, the opportunity revealed itself for us to be niching down to something that allows us to, one, make our business better and more profitable, and two, also create products that we can sell to other people with similar businesses. So yeah, that's all from me. I appreciate you all, and it's been a hell of a ride so far, and I'm excited to keep bringing you along on the rest of this journey with me. So I'll see you in the next video.